Hello my hairstyles lovers, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you how to make this 3-minute quick hairstyle. We'll begin by making our parting, and then we want to select our side sections like I'm showing and clipping the back section away for later. Now you want to grab one of these sections and you want to grab a tiny piece from it, divide it into two and begin a rope braid. Basically you just twist each strand around each other, and then you want to add more hair to the lower section like I'm showing as you are braiding it. So you are twisting and adding hair to the lower section. You want to continue until you have no more hair from this section. Pull a little bit the hair to make it fuller and voluminous, and you want to continue with a rope braid. So basically you twist each strand one way and then you twist them around each other opposite way, and again you want to pull it up apart a little bit to make it voluminous looking, and repeat this braid on other side as well, like so. And then you want to grab these two braids and bring them both together in the back. You want to tie it, loosen it a little bit like I'm showing. And then the rest of your hair you want to divide, incorporating this ponytail as well. You want to divide into 3 equal sections and tie them at the ends like I'm showing, making some loops with this elastic. If your hair is longer, so you'll definitely make bigger and more loops than I did, and if it's shorter, just do some ponytails. Now you want to bring this ponytail upwards like I'm showing, hiding the loops inside. You want to pin it at the base of the elastic. And now, because I don't like this weird bump from the front, I hope that you understand what I mean, I'll pin it, but this is totally optional. I just don't like this retro look. You want to hairspray and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this hairstyle. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys so much. See you soon. Mwah. Bye.